Come check this out. So we have a Mitsubishi Triton here. He's blown his rear diff due to lack of servicing. And he's also got a bit of a churn on it, so I think he's pushing too much power. So if you look at that pinion, we've got no teeth left. And it's chewed up the crown gear as well, and all the teeth are over here.
No good, no good, no good, no good. Wait, come check this out. We've got some movement in the bushes, so we're going to replace the bushes and the kingpin.
Oh yeah!
Proper planing prevents piss poor performance.
Don't drop it.
Hey. Oh, you know I have like 2 brain cells. Something called the kingpin, which is a pin with some bushes in this axle in the front, and that allows the wheels to turn left and right and holds them straight up and down. Now so listen to Josh.
Hello, I'm Josh.
Oh, not 12. Panic mark.
Oh, would you look up there?
Camber, in, out. You got toe, in, out of the wheels pointing. And then you got caster, which is axle, front and back.
Have a moment.